Welcome back. Today we're gonna do a review on this Toyo Proxes ST3 premium high performance tire for SUV, sport trucks, and select crossovers. So the Toyo Proxes ST3 is a very nice stylish tires. Now let's go for the drive. So these tires offer a smooth ride even at high speed driving. Also, it has a quick steering response. It has a steeper sidewall for better cornering performance. So the rubber has a compound that grips the road even on hard cornering and for better braking. So the directional tread pattern designed for improved driving on wet road because of this V-groove tread pattern. I also drove up to 100 kilometers on the highway on a rainy day, and this tires performs extremely well. I didn't feel any hydroplaning. It grips excellent even on wet road. And it offers a quiet and comfortable ride. So the Toyo ST3 Proxes ST3 has a great looks and performance, and it's also affordable. So if you plan to purchase these tires for your SUV, I'll put down the link on the description below so you can check them out. So these are the review of the Toyo Proxes ST3 on my Acura MDX. I hope you like the video. Please smash the like button and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.